Hey guys, welcome back to another Budgie Marx video. Today we're going to be doing a reaction video to Alex S. Let's get into it. Let me turn up the volume a little.
And then we're gonna do the following steps. What it says on, yeah. I think it's my Blu-ray drive inside the PlayStation. I think it's my disk drive, guys. It's because it failed because of the disk drive.
Yeah, this was back then when he had his slim.
I don't think it is though. Let's see then. Let's try to update one more time. If it gives me error one more time, it's bye-bye for PlayStation 4. Then this console will be a failure.
Yeah, that was back then. It still works. The disk drive is just broken.
For 2 years now, and now you're gonna tell me it's not gonna work.
This PS4 Pro, he's had that for a little longer and it's still working.
It's doing something very weird. Okay, let me sign it. Okay, controller ready, guys. It's right here.
Alright, that was his old controller. That's Kevin's controller. Then we go to epilepsy warning. That TV is smaller. It's an old TV. Almost there. Alright, come on. Come on. What? I feel like it is kind of rebuilding database. Oh, it's 1 second. Alright then. Let's see in this menu. Welcome back to PlayStation with the PS button. Alright, that was then. His old home screen.
Yep, you guys see it there. He's trying to actually, to sign in, but I can't sign in because it's going to tell me to go into my account.
Alright then.
Yeah. I'm going to delete.
Alright then, delete. Come on. 3 minutes already. Wow.
Okay, now we're going to do about the console.
That's a lot of stuff. I remember back then he used to have a PS Vita. I don't know if he made a video off of it or not. That's cool though. Well,
Oh, guys.
Oh my god.
Hey guys, see? It's gonna tell me to...
I can't tell if that was a cough or a sneeze. Update.
Okay, now it's gonna do everything again, guys, so yeah.
Alright, give it a bit and it should.
You guys like my wallpaper though? It's really cool, okay?
Also, once I finish with this, I'm going to make a slime laboratory series. Alright, so that'll be all for this video, guys. Please enjoy, like, subscribe, and share. Ring that bell for notifications so you don't miss further content. I'll be seeing you guys in the next Budgie Marx video. Oh, yeah, bye.